Local news for Friday the 1st of September. Two people have been arrested following a petrol drive-off in Carterton. The pair are believed to be responsible for several of the drive-offs over the lower North Island and were allegedly driving a stolen vehicle. Two shoplifters were quickly apprehended by police after taking items from a Queen Street premise recently, and police are investigating a robbery that occurred Wednesday night at around 7:45 at the Colombo General Store. Four masked offenders have entered the shop armed with a metal bar and have stolen cigarettes before running out onto Herbert Street. Two members of the public witnessed the offenders running from the store and helped assist the police with one of the offenders. The staff at the premise were shaken but uninjured and are assisting police with their inquiries. A 15-year-old Masterton man has been charged with aggravated robbery and appeared before the Masterton Youth Court yesterday. Excuse me. The police say investigations are ongoing and they're following very positive leads. And they're hopeful for more arrests in the future. Detective Senior Sergeant Barry Bysouth says the quality of the CCTV on the premises and the intervention of the public at the time of the offence has been extremely important for them to get to this point. And he would appeal to the three other offenders who left the scene to hand themselves in as soon as possible. And tomorrow, Farriers Wairarapa Bush play their 100th Heartland match since 2006. The development side kick off at 12:30 against Wellington Māori, while the main game kicks off against Ngāti Porou East Coast at 2:30 p.m. And congratulations to Ryan Hargood, Alec Hendrickson, Jack Loader, Brian Arnold, Brad Griffith and Tristan Flutie on their selection into the Heartland Under-19 squad.